Here is how to do this Zippo trick where you flip the top open like that. How to do this is you take your thumb, put it on the bottom, make sure your thumb is on the side where there's no hinge and where it opens, and then put your fingers on the opposite corner, this finger and your middle finger, and you push down really hard and then slide these fingers down and like twist. So then you go like this. Wait, shit. And you go. And then it opens. So basically, you could also do other variations of it, like that, where you put your thumb on the lid, holding it upside down away from the hinge, and put your two fingers up here, slide them down, and grab this while flicking it open. So it'll look like this. And if you don't put enough pressure, it'll open like halfway, or it won't open at all. It'll only open like that, or it won't open at all. So you need to have enough pressure. So there you go.